Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Today I'm going to be talking about Tesla stock. I'm going to be answering the question, is Tesla a good buying opportunity at the moment? As of right now, Tesla stock has been dropping dramatically. It is almost at 50% off from a high of $320, somewhere around there. So right now you're able to buy the stock way cheaper than before. And I'm going to be showing you the graph of the 5-year max charts of Tesla stock, and as you can see, it has significantly gone down in price. This could be a good buying opportunity because we have seen the stock go down before in the past and recover really quickly, so it could be a good money making opportunity that you can take advantage, especially because it is really cheap. It hasn't been this cheap in 5 years, and it's at a 52-week low basically. And I'm going to be discussing the pros and cons of investing in Tesla. So as many of you know, Tesla stock is one of the most debated stocks in the market. Tesla continues to have huge goals that could basically change the world, but they're having a lot of issues in having a realistic plan of action, and they are held back with billions of dollars in debt. They have been able to increase their revenue significantly through ramping up Model S, Model X, and Model 3 production. However, they are still spending a lot on the buildings and expanding their factories. And especially right now, they have a lot of debt. Right now they have $10.5 billion in debt. And this has to do in that they're investing a lot of money in building factories. They're actually building factories in China right now to reduce costs and producing their cars. But due to the China trade war, this puts his plan in risk. And Elon Musk has always managed to find ways to fund Tesla's growth, whether it is through debt or equity markets. But it comes to the point now where he has to prove to the company that he can make money, or else the markets will quit funding Tesla's growth and debt. And the risk is that we've already reached the point with debt yields rising, making this much more costly to take out more debt and to fund future growth for Tesla. It basically comes down to Tesla is needing to actually make money now and not rely on debt so much. What Tesla has done great is that they have been successful in pushing the idea of electric cars. There are many competitors for Tesla, such as Porsche, BMW, General Motors, and Jaguar, and they are coming for Tesla's electric vehicles market. And they'll come with high quality and infrastructure that Tesla will have a really hard time to beat. Their stock has insane potential, especially with their autonomous driving technologies, which are basically unmatched at the moment. No other car manufacturer has this advanced technologies that Tesla already has, and they have already been testing and putting it into the real life application. So this is a huge advantage for them. So what it comes down to is, in my opinion, for right now, I think that it is better to stay away from investing in Tesla stock, even though it is a very attractive stock at the moment. And I would only decide to invest in the stock until it can prove profitability reportings. Then I would definitely begin to build a sizable ownership position and shares in Tesla. If you currently own Tesla shares, I would not hesitate at all, because it seems like having Elon Musk as a CEO is a very good thing, because he is very committed to his company, and and he will basically do whatever possible to make the company succeed. There's even been videos where people go and interview him, and he claimed that he sleeps at one of the Tesla's factories. So that kind of shows how much his commitment is to the company. So I think overall in the future, Tesla has huge potential, but it's just at the moment it's going through a difficult stage where I would not see a lot of growth for your money. So this is why I would hold off for right now. But I do see myself investing in Tesla and actually having a very large ownership in their stock. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about Tesla stock. Do you own shares at the moment? Are you planning on buying shares now? Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day.